What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this sunrise flight. I woke up really early this morning to catch the sunrise and it's insane. I'm in Bali for 2 weeks and we arrived yesterday, but I was so tired. It's 16 hours flight and it's really... I didn't sleep during this flight, so I was so tired. And we arrived in Bali yesterday at 8 AM, but we needed to wait until 2 PM to have this villa. So we just turned around with our driver and he showed us some local things. I mean, we went to see how the local people make salt, and it was really interesting because they took the water from the ocean and then they put it on the ground and make different things to have salt at the end. So it was really nice. After that we went to visit the temple and we were able to see a lot of bats. It was really crazy. And right after this temple we went to the villa finally, and I think it's time for a quick tour of the villa. Let's go. That's nice, right? This villa is called Villa Sidemen and it's really beautiful. It's just in front of this volcano, you have the pool, it's just crazy. So we're gonna stay here tonight and then tomorrow we are leaving to Gilimeno Island and it's gonna be also crazy. But today we're gonna just walk around the rice fields and see how it's look like. And I think I'm gonna take also some drone shots during the day because it's really beautiful. We just find some nice rice field. Look at that, so it's time to fly the drone. That's it for today guys, it was incredible here, and if you want to check this villa you can find a link in the description for the website. It's just crazy. As you can see, you have an insane view in front of a volcano. It's just insane, and if you want to fly your drone from there it's the best spot. Just check the link in the description if you want to see the price and everything. I really want to come back here next time I'm in Bali. So now it's time to sleep. Tomorrow we are going to Gilimeno Island. We're gonna stay like 3 or 4 nights there, I don't really remember. I see you tomorrow for a new adventure. Good night.